Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do the TubeBuddy Milestones. You're going to fire up a web browser and go to tubebuddy.com/milestones. You can do this on your cell phone, you can do this on the web page. Either way is fine. You're just going to type in the channel name that you're looking for, and when it comes up you'll go ahead and select it, and then you'll be able to hit the View Milestones. And once you do this, it will bring up the latest milestone certificates. You can download them to your phone, you can share them directly to Twitter or Facebook, you can print them out and even put them in a frame if you wanted to give it as a gift to someone else to help them celebrate, or for you to just have to put on your own wall, which I think is a really cute idea as well. I am a big believer that you should celebrate any wins that you have, so I always think this is a great idea. So I'm going to go ahead and download this certificate, and I'm going to open it up to show you what it looks like. And you can save this to your photos, you can share this on Twitter, you can put it in Facebook, wherever you want to share it. I think it's just really great that they have this to celebrate all of your milestones. It could be for subscribers or views or for videos uploaded. So I'm going to go ahead and just celebrate and put this on Twitter. I'm going to go ahead and attach this photo. Then I'm going to try and tag Kimberlea, and oops, it looks like she can't be tagged, so okay, I'm going to not tag her in this, but I am going to directly send this to her, and I'm going to @ her and say, congratulations, beautiful. I'm going to put a heart emoji in there. So proud of you. And I'm going to tweet that out. So this can be a really great way to celebrate someone else's milestones, not just your own. I think it's a really great idea, and it's absolutely awesome to celebrate all of the wins that you have when you're having a YouTube channel. So I hope that was helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys. Bye.